Want to delete unwanted photos or videos from your DJI Osmo Pocket 3, 2, or 1? It's super easy and you can free up space in just a few steps. In this video, I'll show you how to remove your files quickly and safely. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Method 1. On the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. First turn on your camera, then swipe right from the left edge of the screen. This will bring up the playback menu. Here your screen will show the most recent recorded video or photo. So, to see other files, just swipe up or down on the screen. To see a grid view of all your files, just tap the 4 square icon in the top left corner. Now tap and play a video you want to watch. If you want to delete files, tap the 3 dot icon from the left side. Then tap the trash icon. Then tap delete. You can also select multiple files for deletion. To do that, back to the grid view, now tap on the select icon from the top right corner. Now select files you want to delete. Then tap on the 3 dot icon from the top right corner. Then tap the trash icon, and then tap delete. Method 2. Using the DJI Mimo app on your smartphone. First, make sure your DJI Osmo Pocket 3 is powered on, and that Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled on your phone. Then open up the DJI Mimo app and follow the on-screen prompts to connect to your device. After that, tap the album option from the bottom of the screen. Here you can find your files on your phone. Tap on a file you want to delete. Then tap the trash icon from the bottom right corner. Next, tap delete. If you want to delete multiple files, then go back to album option. Now tap on the select icon from the top right corner. Now select files you want to delete. Then tap the trash icon from the bottom right corner. Then tap delete. And that's all. This is how you can remove your files quickly and safely on your DJI Osmo Pocket 3, 2, or 1. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.